Hey guys, so I have ordered a lot of products from Meesho. Actually, I was traveling to abroad and may I move there, so I have just ordered. So let's see what I have got or not. And there are few products which I have ordered for this home as well. So let's get it started. This is the bunch. And trust me, before this, there was a whole lot of bunch, but I have already opened a few. So now this much is remaining. Okay. So this is what one product which I was waiting for as an interior designer and especially for my mama. These are the few drops. So these are those corner protector guards which you can use it in or at the edges of the furniture. As an interior designer, I will recommend that because whenever you have any small baby or even while walking or just by going through, the certain corners just heat us back. So this corner protectors are very useful. So I will definitely recommend this one. And I'm so happy my mom would be happy. Now, in the next episode, I will show you next video, I'll show you where I'm using this all. Okay. Now let's go with the some second product. Oh, this is, what is this? So, this is, I have ordered specially for my iPhone cables, charging cables. At the ends of the charging cable, we should apply this like all the time. I can say that every time my cable has just toned out or somewhere or I have missed it out or anything. So this is very useful for me. You can get yours as well, and it is very on reasonable price. Now let's order this one. So it's a kind of unboxing, right? Oh, this. So this is an amla powder and this is a moringa powder. So you know that both the products are so helpful in our glowing skin, health, calcium. They are full of vitamins. So definitely one should take them. And I'll mix them together and I'll take it along with either milk or water in whatever the form you can have it, right? So you might be wondering, I've ordered a good stuff, right? What's it? Now next. So Meesho, I've heard that a lot of products are just, it's a kind of a supermarket where, supermart, where we get it for a very reasonable price, right? This is a good product. So I'll show you. I'll show you. I'll tell you another thing that I saw the same product on Amazon, same brand, same companies, but the pricing were different. This This is washing shoe bag. Like I hate dirty shoes and I want to clean them every single time. Therefore, I have ordered this one and you can use it directly into the washing machine. Just have to put inside the shoe, put inside it shoe and then you will have a good, beautiful, clean shoes. Whenever I'll use it, I'll showcase you the video, by the way. So it's very nice. And trust me, even the fabric is also nice. Like, I'll definitely recommend this brand. 110%. Now coming to another stuff. So you might be wondering why I am wearing the same outfit which I wore yesterday. So the video I put it yesterday, I shot both. So again, I am cleaning obsessed person. So I thought that whenever I'll go abroad, even if I have to wash something or clean something, especially dishes or anything, for them I have ordered this gloves. Isn't it so cool? One should always maintain the hygiene whenever they are doing anything. So especially for that purpose. And I'm so happy that Meesho has everything. Uh, so this is just the polythene bags which I wanted to carry abroad. Apart from it, I'll let you another stuff. Let me. It's a kind of an unboxing, right? Unboxing. Oh, so this is little kitchen thing. This was something I wanted to use it when now let's move. If I do some cleaning purpose, so let's move on to the next product. And this is, trust me, I have ordered 2x products and it is just very few little pieces out of it. This is my best product. Why this is the best, I tell you. I'll show you the benefits. So, in our shoes, I can utilize this as a sole. This is a sole which I can utilize into my shoes while walking, running, or for anything. These are just so super cool. Like, it is very good for acupuncture. It gives your foot can be placed very straight, like balance or good pressure. So I have just ordered this. Don't judge me. So for today, I guess I just have this many products. Next time I'll showcase you more. And in another video, I'll showcase you the utilization of all the products. Trust me, these are very small products. This isn't a cheap products. These are the very good products which we use for a day-to-day life. And I definitely love to encourage them. So here we go. I'll showcase you different kind of brands as well, what I've ordered from Nykaa or Tira. I am literally a shopaholic person. But for today, this is it. So it's Jeel Patel signing off with her shoe sole. Next time meet you.